Right, I've got some sealer on there. We're going to torque these down 25 Newton meters. Right, they're all done. I'm kind of happy with that setup now. And now we're going to put this casing onto our transfer case. So what we're going to do is get some more paper, but I think we use a lot of paper here. I put some Loctite on those bolts as well, some thread lock. Right, so because we've been greasy, I'm going to clean off any grease that's on here, or any fingerprints and things. Same with the transfer. Now there's a couple of little things to watch when you're putting sealer on this bit. It's this top corner here. Now we've got to make sure that that's alright, because that's been chiseled off, so we'll take that burr off there, because that's where they usually get opened up. So we're going to put some sealer around here. There. Just for good look, I'm just going to put a bit around this top corner as well. Now we'll go over to here. I line up this shaft with the hole. Oh dear me, it's getting boring now. Here. And then we can bolt it down. There. Be patient, because this is an ATB. It now feels as if it's in diff lock, and it's very difficult to turn against the splines and get them lined up. So now I'm going to put some thread lock on these bolts, tighten them down to 25 Newton meters.